This is Huawei MatePad paper, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Google Chrome on it. So to begin with, you will need to launch the Huawei browser app. Then at the search bar, go for the google.com website, or simply, to put it in other words, open the Google search engine. Then at the search bar itself, type in the Chrome APK query. You can just choose either Chrome APK Android or Chrome APK download. I'll just go with Chrome APK. That should be enough for it to give us the websites and links that we are looking for. Don't forget to hit the search button. I'll use the Softonic website. In here, tap at the free download button, then go for the free APK download option instead of installing from Play Store. Skip the possible ads that might pop up over here. Then once you'll get the dialog window at the bottom of your screen, tap at the download over here and wait for the APK installation file to get downloaded. You can track the progress by entering the browser's download section. Usually it automatically opens the file and proceeds with the installation, but if that's not true in your case, simply tap at the installation file and you'll get the same window as I. In here, grant Huawei browser permission to install unknown apps. Then tap at the install button over here and wait for the Google Chrome to get installed on our device. And now you can just open it. And start using the Google Chrome. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.